expected value in probability topics. Okay, E, capital E is the expected value sign, and x1 is first outcome, then probability of first outcome, plus x2 second outcome, probability of second outcome. Similarly, nth outcome and probability of nth outcome. So, for example, say a question is this: if we roll a die, single die, what is the expected value? Question is this: what is the expected value? So, solution. Our understanding. What do you understand by this question? If we roll one die, single die, what is the expected value? How many outcomes for a single die? 6. Okay. So, roll of die we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each mean it is x1, it is x2, it is x3, it is x4, it is x5, x6. Okay. What is the probability of each digit? 1 by 6. Probability of each digit is 1 by 6. So expected value by formula it is x1 1, probability 1 by 6, 2 probability 1 by 6, 3 1 by 6, 4 1 by 6, 5 1 by 6, 6 1 by 6. Okay. Now we calculate or simplify it. It is 1 over 6, it is 2 over 6, it is 3 over 6, it is 4 over 6, it is 5 over 6, it is 6 over 6. Taking LCM, it is LCM is 6 and add this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. These are 21 over 6. So divide it, it will be 3.5. 3.51. So probability of expected value of rolling a single die is 3.5. Almost 3.5. So very easy expected value. And other example of this is the gain and loss. Let's discuss question. Question here is question of expected value is this one question. Here is the question. Okay. First, try this 4. Try question. Try this 4. Okay. 7 card. Number between -2 and 4. 7 cards. Number between. What is the expected value? First. Number are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 7. So x1 is -2, x2 is -1, then 0, then so on. Okay. Expected value of this. Total number are 7. So each number have probability 1 by 7. So it is -2, 1 by 7 plus -1, 1 by 7 plus 0, 1 by 7 plus 1, 1 by 7 plus 2, 1 by 7 plus 3, 1 by 7 plus 4, 1 by 7. Calculate it. Minus 2 over 7, minus 1 over 7, 0, minus 1 plus 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7. These are cancelled. The net result is 7 over 7, that is 1. The expected value is 1. Okay. Now just lottery system. If you purchase a lottery by $50, try this 5. Try 5. $1,000 tickets are sold at $1 each for a color television. ये तो मामूली, ये नेक्स्ट कर लेते हैं. With his house in fourth layer, the homeowner comes up with the plan to salvage the situation. He sells 10,000 raffle tickets at rate of $50 each for the home, which is valued at $2 lakh. Find the expected value from buying one ticket. अब इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Let's see. You buy a ticket with $50. There are problem of gain and loss. Gain, loss. Gain is $2 lakh. $2 lakh. $2 lakh gain, and loss is $50. After $50, if loss, then it is minus, and gain is minus $50. It is 19,995. Net gain. $1,950 net gain. If you win, it means you must lose $50. Okay. The probability of, because he sell 10,000 tickets, the probability of each ticket is 1 by 10,000. So probability of the event is 1 by 10,000. And next, lose is 99.9 over 10,000. Is it? Now we have both x1, x2, x1, x2, probability 1, probability 2. By using the formula, expected value is x1 px1 plus x2 px2. Here is x1 is $199,950 into 1 over 10,000 plus x2 is minus $50 into 9,999 over, यहाँ माइनस नहीं आएगा. Okay. So E is 199950 there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was, and here multiplying sign, plus minus sign will be minus, and after multiplication result will be 49.995 $. The net result is $30 with minus sign. Mean lose. Okay. So expected value of x is, you can write x here. This is the net result. Okay. Thank you.